under a week now until the playoffs begin. All kinds of bowl madness going on here throughout the week. So if you're, unfortunately, you have to work, your afternoons are planned with football.
That's right.
Yeah. And it's going to be cold, so you're not going to maybe want to be outside.
That is very true.
And not just cold, rainy and cold.
Yeah.
I hope.
Yeah. It looks like Thursday could be a very interesting day here in the Low Country. So hopefully lots of folks have the day off and are able to stay home because there are some indications that it could be a very messy day. Regardless of whether we get any sort of frozen precipitation on Thursday, it is going to be miserably cold the next couple of days.
And cold and rainy is not fun.
Yeah.
We'll take that sunshine.
Yeah.
When cold.
Today's not going to be bad.
Yeah.
Today we're looking at highs in the mid-50s and sun. So if you like this weather, if you like the cooler weather but the drier weather, today's your kind of day. We're at 37 at 8 o'clock, 45 at 10. Then you've got low 50s at noon. We top out around 55 degrees at 2 o'clock this afternoon. Back down to the upper 40s at 6 and a mainly sunny sky as we head through the day ahead. Tonight we'll start to see a little more cloud cover increasing ahead of a system that's going to bring us chance for rain into the day tomorrow. So temperatures right now ranging from 34 in Kingstree to 42 currently on Edisto Beach and Folly Beach. It's 37 for you in Georgetown if you're headed out the door this morning, and 38 currently in Moncks Corner and Walterboro. A high of 52 this afternoon, Johns Island, Seabrook Island, and Edisto Beach. 53 this afternoon, Somerville and St. George. You're headed for a high today of 50 in Andrews. A little bit cooler here in Kingstree and Georgetown where you're going to top out around 49 degrees today. 52 from Mount Pleasant to Sullivan's Island and back towards James Island, and 55 in North Charleston. Tonight shouldn't be too bad in the temperature department. We're upper 30s to low 40s, and that's because of that increase in cloud cover. So temperatures hovering above that freezing mark overnight tonight. Even north of the lakes where you're typically a little bit cooler during the early morning hours, I still think you're going to be in the mid to upper 30s. So not terribly cold overnight tonight, still on the cool side. But when we get into the day tomorrow, that's when the bottom's really going to start to fall out. So high pressure just up to our north today is going to help us stay dry through the day. This frontal system is going to move in as we head into the day tomorrow. It's going to bring us a slight chance for a couple showers, mainly early into the day, but the bigger issue is going to be this cooler air that's falling behind that. So we get a nice shot of cold air as we head into the day tomorrow, Thursday, and even into the day on Friday, where highs are going to get stuck into the 40s. We rebound a little bit for the weekend, but then we have another shot of even colder air expected for the early part of next week. There's some indication in the modeling right now that we could get stuck with highs in the 30s as we look into the day on Tuesday. So that's beyond the end of your 7-day forecast here. But talking about what's going to happen the next 7 days, for Wednesday, we get that chance for rain mainly into the morning hours. That'll be warm enough to keep it all liquid precipitation during the day, but check out that afternoon high, mid to upper 40s for the afternoon on Wednesday. Then Thursday, that's the day we need to watch because those overnight lows are down into the mid to upper 30s. And keep in mind, you don't have to have a surface temperature of 32 to actually get frozen precipitation. It really has more to do with what's happening in the upper levels of the atmosphere. On Thursday, we have that chance for scattered showers and our highs only in the upper 30s to low 40s. So that indicates that we could see the potential there for some freezing drizzle at times during the day. And that's mainly going to be as we head into the evening hours, but it's certainly something we're going to have to monitor Thursday night and into the day on Friday because temperatures as you wake up on Friday morning, you notice, are just above that freezing mark. We do clear out Friday afternoon to afternoon highs in the mid 40s under a clearing sky. Like I said, it looks like we rebound for the weekend, upper 40s to low 50s before another shot of cold air moves in for the early part of next week, the early part of 2018.